So hi and welcome to another video, and today we're going to be tearing down the Razer Viper here to see how it's constructed inside. If you want to know what these skates are, check out the link. There's a video there showing these on the Tigers and how well they've performed in recent tests. I've got a review as well out for the Razer Viper, and if you're not familiar with my tests and things, I go into a lot more detail than most people, as you're going to see when we take this mouse to pieces. So to help us do that and measure some of the information that you would all be interested in, we've got a hairdryer here to take the skates off. You can use lighter fluid, and I am going to get some. A lot of you have been suggesting that, thanks a lot. Feel free to suggest a lot of things in the comments. I'm open to it and we can try different things out. Got a screwdriver here, this is a PH00X50. We've got a nylon tool here to prise the skates off, help us take them off. Obviously we've got the Viper. We've got a set of scales here that are up to 50 grams and they give us a lot more decimal places here. We've got another set of scales that measure above 50 grams for things like the mouse in total. And we've also got a caliper here to measure things like the skates or the width of the PCB that a lot of you have asked for. If you don't know, I've got a Beardedbob website. It has a lot of this information on there, a lot of these pictures that I take, especially more detailed things like the Razer. I'm updating a little bit quicker at the minute because I've fallen behind. And there's also a mouse search facility there, so you can go through all my data that I've collected, things like the force of the mice, the latency test we've been using with the 1000 FPS camera, and a lot more information is going to be on there, so keep checking it out. So let's get on with the teardown.
all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love. So come on, let me show you how. Oh my, you're my broken love. Oh my, you're my broken love. It's all the same, like some things never change. I couldn't stop and say no. It's all the same, but you won't take the blame, even when you are blowing up. Oh my, you're my broken love. Nobody's gonna save her now. Oh my, you're my broken love.
So that was it. That was the video for tearing down the Razer Viper. So I'm going to start rating the teardown so you guys can mod them a bit easier. And this one I'm going to rate as a 3. I think it's fairly easy to tear down. It's not like something like the G502, which is just a nightmare, or the G Pro Wireless. It's certainly not as easy as something like a Model O, but it's not too difficult. What was nice to see was the switches here that from Razer that you can actually take out. I don't know how useful that's going to be in the future, and if Razer are going to allow us to use interchangeable switches, which would be pretty damn cool if they did. This Viper has certainly been a mouse that I've been excited to take apart, and it was really good to see how well this Viper's built. There's certainly a lot of different techniques Razer use here compared to a lot of the other competitors, and you can see that they put a lot of time and thought into constructing this, especially on the side buttons, how it's constructed, which explains why there's very little flex in these. These are very stiff, as we found out in the review. Interchangeable switches, and also how the scroll wheel is mounted with a different encoder. Not seen that one before. Normally they're stuck to the PCB and more of a longer channel, and Razer here have opted to have this little square block, so not bad. This is a nice mouse to take apart. So if you want to vote for a weight reduction for this one, vote on my beardedbob.com website, and I can then understand what the priority is, and we can see we can take this apart and try and take some weight out of it. I think we're going to be drilling the shell, which I don't really want to do on this Viper because I do actually like it. But if you want to see that, let me know via that rope system. So as always, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you all again soon. Peace.